Hey guys, I'm Stephanie.
I'm Danny. We're here today to show you a simple, easy way to get those lived-in beach waves. Alright guys, so step one is we prep the steps hair with a thermal protectant just to get a nice smooth surface. And I like to use this one. Okay, so step two is we're going to section the hair, and I like to start from the bottom to the top. The first section doesn't have to be perfect. Clip it up, it's like a good 1.5 inches. Take everything in front of the ear because it's going to be our first section. So this is a little trick that I like to do to create volume and a little bit more dimension. What I like to do is just curl it like a wand, same way. So start in the middle, leave the ends out, but this is going to give us lots of volume. Final step is we're going to do a dry texturizing spray. It's going to give us lots of volume and lots of piecey, beachy texture. That's it, just super simple, easy, fun beach waves.